Man, a ball, I check the instep. Yeah. Wine low. Wine low. Alright, no. You make your body hard. Run me on over your body and touch everybody part. Face you make when we a fuck you make me a feel off. Me send it now your heart and they make you a fick off. You pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. Me I get it on the ball. You make me to a curl nothing but you no regular. The way you suck it off me and fi beg your pass. Yeah. It happy slappy when me come through. She a move like an animal cut loose. Grab a gossip if she gets so freaky in a bed out a road she full of class like enough school. Yeah. She not stop until me bust juice. Pussy like you make the cocky must lose. She go and bruise me cocky till it have much use. So me set her in a one angle they we hook tunes. The way you make your body hard. Turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. It feels she make when we a fuck you make me a feel off. Me send it now your heart and it make you a pick off. You pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm me. Also know a second verse. You make me to girl. It's the second verse. Like the way you suck it off me a fi beg your pass. Me make a call to the girl say come over now. Soon as she come through the door she bend over couch. Over the pretty pink nipple me tongue a bounce. Simon take nothing at the pussy a thump it out. Me a thump it out. Yeah me a beat it bad. Me a beat it like a Trinidad Steely. She a got this out a road but she freaky. She look at me and say she want eat dinner. Me love it the way you make your body hard. Turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. It feels she make when we a fuck you make me a feel off. Me send it now your heart and it make you a fick off. Your pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm me I get it and a ball. You make me to girl nothing but you no regular. The way you suck it off me I feel beg your pass. Wine for me baby. Wine for me One nation and Imara nation. Wine for me. Wine for me. One nation and Imara nation. Time for me baby. Yeah. Wine to money. Yeah. Time for me baby. Time for me darling. You love it the way you make your body hard. Turn me on over your body and touch everybody part. It feels she make when we a fuck you make me a feel off. We send it now your heart and it make you a fick off. You pussy tired so me send it now your jaw. You get it and a charm me I get it and a ball. You make me go girl nothing but you no regular. The way you suck it off me I fi beg your pass. Yeah, but I don't know say one nation and Imara nation. You understand? One nation and it's Imara nation. There's no other nation. You understand? Blessings and honor. Welcome back, family. I don't know. So my name is Negusimara. That song we just heard a while ago is entitled Pause by Negusimara. Yes, me. It's on every major streaming platform there is. Every single one of them will have at song. It depend it. The iTunes, the Spotify, the SoundCloud, the Amazon Music. Everywhere you will find music, it depend it. You can even use Shazam and find my song. It everywhere. So make sure you go stream it. Show some love. You see me? The link to the animated video is going to be in the description. So you can go watch the animated video and see what I go on. You see me? Yeah, man, full of energy. I start sweating, you understand? But yo, I know someone see the title, you see me? Pretty crazy, though. Did 876 drop the ball? Did 876 roommate drop the ball? You see me? Because we see them start, them put episode 1 and episode 2 on YouTube for free, you understand? And then now them drop a sneak peek of episode 1 and 2 for free, and then we see a sneak peek of episode 3. And then they might explain, say, yo, Ewa, we're not really to have funding like that. So we're going to need enough support. We're going to need enough to buy this for $13. I never understand how people sell things for $12.99 and $11.99. Just round it up, because nobody, you're not treating nobody. The sales tactics, they're all. $12.99, it sounds less than $13, yes, but really and truly, that's 1 cent. The people them have sense now. You can stop using the sales tactics and just say $13. So them all buy it for $13. And it's not, and that only say them all buy it for $13. The people them who actually are going to buy it, some of them can't even get on the website. Some of them actually buy it and then I put in them email and I say, yo, here, we can't find an email. One bag of thing, isn't it? So it's like, we can see where they wasn't prepared. It seems as if they weren't prepared to drop this big banger. Because really and truly, you know, them have a big banger, you know. Them have a big banger. I still feel like, say, yo, it bigger than Social House. But the thing about Social House was properly planned. Social House did properly plan if you pre the levels. If you pre the levels, Social House was properly planned. Social House funding all the way up there. the first episode of watch of 876, I look on the camera and I say, oh wow, these cameras are trash. When I camera them, I look on the camera and say, one black dot. So that means the lens damage. Like, the show, trust me, would I still watch it regardless because of the contestant them. That I don't care about quality when you have them type of personality up on screen. But now, it seems as if Social House gonna lead. Would you agree? Yes or no? Let me know in the comments if you agree. Me personally feel like say Social House gonna lead now. Because first of all, Social House, them I got episode 5 and now. Or no, episode 6 and now. Social House I got episode 6. You see me? Them I got episode 6. No, episode 5. They're going to episode 5 right now. So episode 4, we can see where them bring in, you know what I mean, Prince Pine, them in the place, and then another pretty girl there in the place now. The only thing with Social House, them need more contestants for me. Them need more contestants. China K, Quiet Perry, Prince Pine, the pretty girl, and Fat Skull can't bring off the show alone. It feel like it's missing something. You know what I mean? After watching 876, Social House feel like it's missing something. I'm not gonna lie to you, I watched episode 3 and it was underwhelming. I'm not gonna lie to you. As much as I love 876, you know what I'm saying? I can't be biased. I can't lie and go around the corner. I'm not gonna lie to you. I watched episode 3 and it was like, I'm not gonna lie to you. I still love the show, but I just say, you know how Jamaica be. Nobody gonna bite. Nothing. I believe not even 1/3 of the viewers them will watch it on YouTube. I feel like 1/3 of them are gonna bite for $13. No, I think $13 is a reasonable price, isn't it? $13, you know what that converted to Jamaica. We could see what I go on. I don't even know. I don't even know. I don't want to spew no rubbish. We could see what I go on. So 13 US to Jamaican dollar, that is $2,000. $2,000. $2,000. You don't have it. Just buy the thing and support the thing. You understand? But I'm not gonna lie to you. Episode 3 was underwhelming. Who made episode 3 for me was Lexi and Cuz. Wait a minute. Spoiler alert. Spoiler alert. I tell you this from now. Spoiler alert. Who make episode 3 for me was Lexi. Big up Lexi. Lexi with the more fantastic mouthpiece. Ooh. Yeah, man. But Lexi and Cuz. You know, so this the third episode of them, they have the skit challenge. You see me? In the skit challenge, them have 5 groups. You see me? And for sure, how poorly it was edited, it was only 3 groups that got to showcase them skit. Apparently, they're going to do the other 2 on episode 4, I'm thinking. You understand? Group 1, as I say, spoiler alert. If you don't watch it yet, don't come here, so if you don't watch it yet. So, group 1, for them skit challenge was getting locked up. So, then if you create a skit, like them get locked up. Who did another group there? Lexi, Kimmy K. Loud, and Baba J. You understand? Group 2 was, for them skit was in the line at the embassy. We have World Dog, we have RJ, and we have Cuz. Group 3, Doctor's Visit. Swiss Lee, Dina, and Tavi. Yes, Dina and Tavi did it for the same group. You understand? Group 4, we have Detective at a crime scene. That was Valdemore, Weishe, and Lando. Zane, them never get to show for them skit. Group 5, a booking agent for an artist. At Dog, Able Boss, and Trilla Miller. Them never get to show for them skit neither. So now, we're going to talk about the group 1, 2, and 3. So, group 1, Kimmy K, Baba J, and Lexi. Lexi, out of all of them, out of Kimmy K, Baba J, and Lexi took the cake easily. Kimmy K Kimmy K Cloud or Kimmy K Loud, she come second in my eyes and Baba J last. I think he did come last. And the man them say, yo, Baba J hype. Yo, I'm not lying, the dog did hype though. The dog did hype, I'm have the worst skit. Baba J skit was the worst skit and like the dog hype. When the woman tell the man say, yo, yeah man, you're too bossy, man. That's wrong with you, you're too bossy. The man go in a confession and talk about, yo, you think of me, make the people them take your money and not do your body. Then the man a style all TOK. The man say, yo, me never hear a song with TOK. Let me tell you this, Baba J. I don't know you, bro. I don't know what I feel like me a style in general, but yo, don't pay respect to the general them, bro. TOK had legend. You understand? Your skit did lame, brother. Learn to take criticism and stop trying to style people. This is how the thing we do. We feelings get hurt and we feel like people are attack. We call, oh, yo, the man a bad mind, man. Nah, brother, your skit did lame. Lexi, blow you out of the water. Kimmy K Cloud or Kimmy K Loud, blow you out of the water, bro. Baba J skit did lame. No editing, no cut, no nothing. Prison skit. Year one was just a straight shot. Oh, well, what's the Empress? Yo, Empress, yo, man. You keep it, repeat the same thing over and over, bro. No punchline, no joke. The funniest thing I say in that skit there was, you know, eat chicken wing, cause chicken wing green. That's the only thing you said that would made me chuckle. Lexi was the most edited video. Kimmy K video, Fear One, it was a plot twist at the end. It's a spoiler alert. I'm not give it too much. It's even more to enjoy it. Don't go watch it. Alright, so we'll move on. Man, Baba J style TOK. Man, I never hear a song from TOK yet. We are trying to do. Hey, watch it, you know. Group 2, we have In the Line at the Embassy. You see me? We have World Dog, RJ, and Cuz. So, I think RJ did go first. RJ skit, mediocre. You see me? RJ skit, mediocre. It was okay. If he skit did actually feature, what's your name? Bobby. What's your name, man? Tavizoe. You see me? Film video did mediocre. Then we have World Dog now. World Dog, I'm a dog. But World Dog video, mediocre. You see me? Then now we have Cuz. It's a Cuz video. The reason why Cuz video sell is because I am personality. You see me? Sorry about that. Running low on energy. You see me? So we have to sip some coffee. You understand? But yeah, Cuz personality different. The man just roll up at the embassy. I spoil it right as a food. You see me? The man roll up at the embassy and the woman come out and say, I'm tired of that place. And the man say, what happened to you, miss? And the woman say, what with me, you know? The man say, you think I'm making a negative visa? Eh? Visa. I say, oh, John, that you a drama. It never do much or say much. But facial expression, the silliness when him bring come, that sell the whole video. So big up Cuz me they like, cause me in my eyes, Cuz win that to me. Cuz win that. You see me? Straight. So now, group 3, Doctor Visit. We have Swissley, Dino, and Tavi. So for Swissley video was the most upbeat video. Meaning every minute something is happening, something new is happening. You see me? Dino video, lame. Dino video, that was lame. Tavi video was, you can tell Tavi video was thought out, but it never really have nothing funny in it. Like, it was only like one thing funny in a Tavi video. We all know Tavi humor, but I feel like if they have more time with this, there would be more punches. There would be more joy in it. But with Tavi video now, it was thought out. But I would say Tavi had the best video just because it was thought out. You see me? Tavi had the best video. Dino video did okay. Swissley video did okay. To me. You see me? So group 4, detective at a crime scene, and group 5, booking agent. Never see them one day. So maybe it's gonna be on the next episode. You see me? As I said, episode 3 did underwhelming. You understand? It did. So when it compared to Social House. The last challenge for Social House, which was episode 4, then we have the Boom Challenge where them write a rhyme and DJ it. I enjoyed Social House last challenge over the 876 Skit Challenge. As I say, Lexi and Cuz take the cake for that episode there. Easily. Lexi, like, and this I think too, you know. I'm gonna drink some more coffee real quick. That episode there show me say enough of them lack talent. I'm not calling the name, I'm not say rare, but enough of them people are not funny. Enough of them people are not funny. Them have 1 hour to create a masterpiece. And the videos that they created, majority of them was trash. Lexi and Cuz take the cake. Me feel like say, if Cuz they do more, Cuz would have beat out Lexi. But because Lexi video was actually edited, had multiple scenes, different scenes, it have a storyline, she take the cake. But I forgive Lexi that. Lexi, big up yourself. You're a great content creator. Cuz you're full of personality, my G. Visa. But yo, you don't know Star One Nation. Make sure you support 876. $13. $2,000. $2,000, $15. $2,000, $15 a couple cents. Support the thing, man. Because I want to buy shoes, they're more expensive than that. It's actually, as I think I want summer pass. So I think that with that you can watch all of the episode them. So go support the thing. But 876, please get it together because some people are saying them can't get them thing. Then, you know what I mean? Them can't get them log in and pay them money and them can't log in. Them email can't be found in the system. You know what I mean? Some people are saying, yo, the option to buy it is not even there. So 876, try to get it sorted out, please, and thank you because we have a masterpiece pan and I would have hate to see all the hard work that go down the drain. Trust me. We have a masterpiece pan on, so we need to find what we need to find and get it together. You see what I say? Yo, I don't know certain Negus. One Nation and Imara Nation. And Zimmy, just let me know. Did 876 drop the ball? Did they drop the ball? Yes or no? Let me get in the comments. Make sure you sound a like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I have a surprise for you, know. I have a surprise for you. And if you watch this video till the end, want to comment it in the comment. When I say no, in the comment section. I have an exclusive interview coming up with the one and only world Bumbleclad dog about the whole 876 situation. Say, don't know, say One Nation. Yo, I'm telling you this. You see that Blood Clot YouTube channel? And you know, I'm going to stop use profanity like that because somebody say, just one person. And the one person, I agree with it too. They must say, yo, stop use so much profanity just in case the kids them are watching. This is not really a kids channel, but we want to reach everybody. So I might not stop use profanity, I might stop use it so much. Because I love cuss. You understand? But you see, the YouTube channel is not a joke YouTube channel. But that's about the secret. So when time you go so watch this to the end, just comment on me a while ago in the comment section. We have a blood clot interview of Out Up with World Dog about the whole 876 situation. So yo, stay tuned. You understand? You don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. Blessings and honor to each and everyone. I want to make sure you like, comment, share. I said that already, but I love straight because I want to really do it. You understand? Up move. You understand? Watch how my cut move.